All right, everybody, umpires and team managers and coaches. This one's going to be very quick. There's a rule in Little League Baseball Rulebook 4.06C, causing a balk is what I'm titling it. It's just something that I've noticed happens a lot in youth baseball. It hasn't happened a lot in Northern Lights, but I got caught into it one time as an umpire, which it was really bad. So I want to put a little attention to this for our umpires and also for the team managers and assistant coaches to make sure that this doesn't happen. So likely won't happen in minor player pitcher majors because there's no leading off. So therefore, no pitcher is trying to throw the ball and there's no balks in there. I know we have an illegal pitch, but it won't happen there. But it does, and it could happen in intermediate, junior, and senior. And it has happened a lot, not as much here, but in other areas that I've seen. So what the rule says is no manager, coach, or player at any time, whether from the bench or the playing field, which is the first, includes the first or third base coaching box, or elsewhere, make any move calculated to cause the pitcher to commit an illegal pitch or a balk. So Little League has a rules interpretation manual, which I misspelled the word interpretation. So 406C, this, and it says in that interpretation, this could involve many acts, such as the batter stepping out of the box or raising their hand towards the pitcher, or the base coach yelling go or balk, or the manager yelling time from the dugout. Here's what I don't want happening in this league. I don't want a manager or a coach at any time, especially from the first or third base coaching boxes or from the dugout, yelling while the pitcher is doing something. That's a balk. That's a balk. I hear it a lot. When if it happens when the pitch is being delivered, this is what we have instructed the umpires to do. Call time and talk to that manager and coach. Let them know that Rule 4.06C does not allow them to do that, and that's their warning. What the rule book says is give them a warning, and then if they do it again, the rule actually mandates they be ejected. So we, based on the rules interpretation manual, are interpreting it to mean if you yell balk or say something like balk while the pitcher is delivering a pitch, then that you are in violation of 4.06C, and that says you have to be warned once and then you have to be ejected a second time. So if that happens and it does cause a balk, you nullify the balk. So let's say he yells, that's a balk, and then the pitcher balks because the manager yelled, that's a balk. You nullify the balk, it's not a balk, and then you give the warning. So just a note to the managers and the coaches, please don't do this. It's really bad to do this, and we're going to come down hard on it. If you really think the pitcher is balking, talk to the umpire, ask for time, be granted time, and then politely tell them, hey, I think they're balking because of X, Y, Z. And can you please give that a little bit more attention to detail? And then umpires, if a manager tells you that, then you should, okay, I will be respectful and yes, I will look for that. Thank you for bringing it up to me. So let's work together on that one to make sure we do that. But please, no yelling. That's a balk. So that's what we wanted to go over on this one. I'll stop the share and end the recording. And I